going on, my wizard? My name is Nathan, a magical vlog, and today I am back with more vlogs. Yes, guys, I was gone, wasn't I? I don't know. I've uploaded the prom, and I think this is the cat video. Next, I'm going to go onto a Pottermore website, and if I was in a Harry Potter world, I'm going to tell you which house I'm in and which wand I will get. So I'm officially a wizard. It might take a while, I don't know, but yeah. Let's go in my room. Let's get this vlog started. Oh, guys, I'm back. Look at this summer. The hot tub's going on. Didn't know I had a hot tub. I'm back. And it's summer. I'm summer vlogging now. I'm gonna go in a hot tub. That's the hot tub, yeah. And a swimming pool maybe. But yeah, we're gonna go downstairs where my cat is. And yeah, let's start the first vlog of coming back after my birthday. So, did you like my intro, by the way? I got a new intro. 2 new intros. A long one and a short one. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, intro. But yeah, if you like them, press the like button. No, don't, because that's apparently you get more views. Keemstar, shut up. Comment down below if you like the new intros. They were easy to make. Oh, they're so good. But yeah, we're going to go downstairs and see my cat. So yeah, the first time you saw my cat, it wasn't really the title, but yeah, today will be, so more people will click on it because they love cute cats. He's a kitten right now. And his name is Archie. That's new stuff. I'm going to tell you more new stuff in a different vlog. New intro and everything. But yeah, let's show my cat I got for my birthday. It's a Burmese cat. Not for my birthday, it was like for the whole family. My aunt had a cat and my dad was like, I really like cats now. I'm going to buy one. And then 2 weeks after, we bought one without anything thinking, but it's good. So yeah, say hello to Archie, which is his name. I don't know if this vlog is going well because, it's so hot. And I don't know if I said anything. But yeah, Pottermore website, I cannot wait to be officially a wizard, officially. But yeah, here's Archie. Hello Archie! Hi! So yeah, didn't really introduce him personally, but yeah, my strap, he likes it. But here is Archie. Archie Ball apparently. Oh, this is too hot. It's summer, guys, and it's like 80 degrees. But yeah, and there's an earthquake, like freaking hell. Oh, stretchy, he always does this. Stretchy. He tries to bite me, but look what he's doing. But yeah, on my birthday, you should go and watch that birthday vlog. I was like, happy birthday to me, and yeah, it's pretty awkward when we were like, happy birthday, huh? But yeah, I'm a wizard now, and I'm trying to be more confident. But yeah, I didn't really show him, just show him going out the cage. But yeah, if you see that vlog, he came out of the cage firstly, in the kitchen, here. He was like, din, and he started running. Go watch that video and see if he's grown, I don't know. I'm gonna watch it myself. But yeah, I'm gonna finally introduce, and this video is whole video is gonna be about Archie. Oh, that hat was weird then, but I forgot. But hi Archie, how are you? Say meow. Hello. Let's see. It's a camera. Hello. Let's put it down like my little tripod. There you go, Archie. Say hi, Archie. Oh, he says hi. What's he doing? I got the strap. Oh, he's smelling it. Archie! No. Hold on. Freaking out his face. When he's getting the string, he's like, smile! But yeah, Burmese cat. It's because my aunt has the Burmese cat. Why do we get a different one, like the little white fluffy cat? But yeah, hi. Meow. Oh. But yeah, high five. Paw. It's like a dog cat apparently. He fetches like a dog. But yeah, oh, it's hot. Oh, it's summer, guys. Summer vlogs. This is what I've been looking for, summer. Oh, July though, we're having a family pie and I've got someone in the high vis. Run away, police! No. Anyway, you like to play with this? This is just a toilet roll and this thing, he goes, cools under in the mornings. But yeah, say hi to this toy and he'll hug it and stuff. Oh, look what he's doing. Is he cute? He's still a little kitten. Are you gonna high five me then? He bites sometimes. He's like, oh. Do your thing. Well, okay. Ball. It's like, meow, what's that ball? Meow. Oh, there's your ball. What's he doing? Hello, Archie. You eat all my beans! Oi, what are you doing? But you can't kill him. Archie? Oh, he does this. Come on, what's under there? There's nothing under there. Oh my god. Why are you scared? You're not scared. Yeah, I'm gonna show him running and then sleeping in the night because it's so cute. I think it's still a kitten now. Let's see how small he's gone. Hi! Bitty bitty bitty! No! Archie! Archie! You're not stuck, are you? I'll shoot. Oh god! Stay on the sofa. Stay on the sofa. I can pick him up too. He sometimes bites. Hey! Oh, come on. It's because he was sitting. Oh god. I love you. Oh god, what was he doing? He sometimes likes getting picked up, but then he goes sometimes. Oh yeah, if he fetches the ball from here, from where he is, he'll jump high. Go, go, go. No. Okay, he needs to be scatty at night. You know cats run at night. It's so bigly, so fast. He's slipped there. He's like, all he does really play, sleep and eat. But yeah, it's really summer. It's still disgusting. Look at this. So summer, we went to a water park, but I can't really record. But yeah, so we're sleeping next. We need the fan. Oh yeah, I got a new profile picture by the way. I don't know, it looks low quality from here. It's not meant to be low quality. This is not meant to be low quality at night. But I know they're always low quality at night, but still professional though. Oh, well, the prom's 30 minutes, so you didn't know, sorry. Getting upstairs. We have to spray him when he goes downstairs. Oh, sorry. No. Sorry. Sorry about the prom vlog being like lots of cuts. And it's like muted at right at the start. I was really scared it was going to be too long. So I'm sorry. That was scared me. Oh gee, this is him sleeping. Archie? Archie! Archie! You're strong. 1! Oh, there you go. Oh, you're so cute. Boo boo boo. It's not abuse, by the way. Look at him. Sleeping like a human. Oh, that's how he sleeps. No, he's gonna sell the chicken. No.
Oh my god.
Should we give you your favourite food then if he keeps smelling me? Because he's gonna keep
Oh my
meowing.
god.
I don't have food. It's just the chicken I held. Oh, I'm not
Oh my
chicken.
god, no.
Making me look bad is always my family's trait. It's f***ing annoying.
Well, let's not tease him and give him his favourite food, which is that. His little nose wallet.
Oh, Archie.
So hot here, you don't even know. Yeah, look at the sunset. Oh, well, kind of sunset. Got the fan on, and this. It's hotter. Whew. But yeah, he's sleeping. At night he'll go run around. This is so exciting. Middle of summer, well, starts I guess. It's where it's orange down there. And there's no clouds, and it's actually cool outside for a little bit. This is what I like, it's so cool and nice. And orange down there. I love it. That's what I love about this summer. in a mood again. Running. Oh, is it tacky? Damn it, come on, I can't show it. Oh, you'll see. He's like this at night where he plays and attacks your feet. They go like this at night for some reason, I don't know. Oh, boo, 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 boo. Do you want to chase my foot? Oh! It's pretty scatty in the night, he's like and yeah, but I can't really show it tonight. I'm not doing it again. Good night. This is morning. He likes to play. It's meowing a lot. Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Can't really see. Oh, you're so cute. Good morning. Guys, there's a festival going on. Shame it wasn't. Guys, but look, festival. Yeah, I'm not gonna vlog it because I thought it was boring last year. And then guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. Oh, it's so bright and white. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here. I should really buy a new hat that's blue or something because black is not good in the sun. Well, how are they burning red? We must say goodbye to you, Archie. My little strap. My little strap. Say bye. Bye. He did say bye. I don't honestly smelt you. It's going towards me. Hello. Meow meow meow. Oh, you should bookable. Meow meow meow. Hello. Oh. Okay. Wait, look up. A good selfie. I don't know. I need a good thumbnail. Little spy that could. What are you doing? I'm pretty sure it's certain. Just left. Shit. Just left a web. It's in bed now. No. Oh. Anyway guys, I'm gonna leave the video here for now. Oh god, little spy that could. Oh, that's a cute name. Ugh, it's gone in my bed. But yeah, that's my cat, Archie. Archie, what's his second name? Magical. There we go. If you haven't seen my Harry Potter Hogwarts mystery video, then yeah, that's his second name. But yeah guys, it's the 30th, I don't know if there's a 31st, but it's gonna be July in tomorrow or 2 days. But yeah, it's finally July, the middle of summer, and then it's August. Sorry. Fucking Paul. I'm gonna leave this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, press the button. All my social media links and description. If I got any video on there, and then the outro hasn't changed. You want me to change my outro? I don't know, it's still magical though. Cast a spell on that like button. Sorry. And come on, and don't forget to subscribe to see more Bump Life. Goodbye everyone, goodbye, and stay magical.